Welcome to Shoot Movement YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to download CapCut on your PC. In this tutorial I will teach you 3 methods for this. The first method is downloading from Google. The second method is using Microsft Store. The third method is using CapCut Online version. Let us see downloading from Google. Type CapCut on your favorite browser and search. Then you will have these links. Go to the first link, open it. Then you will be directed to CapCut Online version here. I will discuss this later, don't worry. Go to your second link, this one, open it. Then you will be directed to this page. In this page, you will have several options here. I will select download drop down list here. In download you will have 2 options. The first option is download for mobile. The second option is download for Mac or Windows. I will select this one, download for Windows or Mac. Once you select that tab, your exe file will be downloaded into your computer automatically. Then go to the file location. Then you can double click on the exe file and you can install CapCut on your computer. Once you install your CapCut on your PC, then you can search here called CapCut. Then you can open your app here. Okay, now let us consider the second method. Our second method is to use Microsft Store to download our CapCut PC. If you are a Windows user, you can search Microsft Store on your search bar here. Then click on it. Then you can get Microsft Store app. On the app, you can search CapCut. Now click on CapCut logo here. Now you will have option to install CapCut. Since I have installed CapCut in my PC, my install button is not active here. Also there's a special thing here. Like in the previous method, here we don't have to run a setup file separately. CapCut will be installed automatically here. Therefore, it will be very easy to install CapCut from your Microsft Store. Now let us see our third method, that is using CapCut Online version. As I have explained in my first method, when you search for CapCut on your browser, the first link is for your online video editor. Then I click on it, then you will be redirected to this page. In this page, you will have option create new. When I move the mouse on create new button, I will have some options here. Blank canvas is here. Also there are some video dimensions here. YouTube standard video dimension is 16:9. I will select this size. When I select this size, I will be redirected again to this page. This interface is very same as our CapCut software we have downloaded in our PC. Here there is a place to rename our project. Here we can rename our project. Also there is a place to export our project. Here we can upload our projects from our computer. Here we have timeline, and this interface is very same as our CapCut PC software. You have templates, elements, audio, text, captions, everything is there. Don't worry, I will soon prepare a separated video to explain the interface of CapCut PC. Okay, this is the end of today's lesson. If you find these tutorials are supportive, please subscribe my channel, like the videos and share them. That is the best way you can support me. Also, if you have any problems about downloading CapCut PC, comment below the video. I will definitely answer your questions. Thank you very much.